Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to look at the ankle joint as well as the ligaments that hold the ankle joint together. The ankle joint is a hinge joint, so it's a synovial hinge joint. The ankle joint is made up of two joints. One is the ankle joint proper, while the other is the subtalar joint. Let's talk about the ankle joint proper, that is the actual ankle joint. The ankle joint proper is made up of the leg bones, which are fibula, the lateral leg bone, and tibia, the medial leg bone, as well as talus. Talus is a tarsal bone, the most superior tarsal bone. Now, if we look at this diagram, this is a diagram of the ankle joint proper. This is the lateral malleolus of the fibula. This is a surface of the tibia. And this is the medial malleolus. This forms the structure called the ankle motus. And the ankle motus is like a socket for the talus to fit inside this structure and act as a hinge joint. So this structure over here that fits inside the ankle motus is the talus bone. So the ankle joint proper helps in dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. But if you notice, the ankle can also produce inversion and eversion. So the inversion and eversion is brought about by the subtalar joint, which is a joint below the talus, between the talus and the calcaneus. So the subtalar joint is between talus and calcaneus, and it is this joint that's associated with inversion and eversion. Now that we are clear with the joints of the ankle, let's look at the ligaments of the ankle joint. First, we look at the medial side. The medial side has the tibial collateral ligament. So this ligament in blue is between the tibia and the talus. Hence, this is the anterior tibiotalar ligament. Now, since we've added the prefix anterior, there might be a ligament on the posterior side as well, which is this one in black. This is the posterior tibiotalar ligament. Next, we look at the ligament in red. This is between the tibia and the navicular bone. Hence, this is the tibio-navicular ligament. And finally, we have this ligament in yellow, the last ligament that belongs to the tibial collateral group. And this is the tibiocalcaneal ligament because it's between the tibia and the calcaneus. Next, we go to the lateral view, which has the fibular collateral ligament. The one in pink, orange, and dark green comprise the fibular collateral ligament. Now, the one in pink is between the fibula and the talus. Therefore, it is the posterior talofibular ligament. Now, it is known as posterior because it's on the posterior side. If there is a posterior talofibular ligament, there might be one on the anterior side, and the one on the anterior is in dark green. This is the anterior talofibular ligament. And the final ligament belonging to the fibular collateral group is this ligament in orange. This is the calcaneofibular ligament that is between the calcaneus and the fibula. Now, if you look at the tibial collateral ligament and the fibular collateral ligament, in the tibial collateral ligament, it was tibia that was given dominance when we spoke about the ligament. Tibia would come first and then we had the tarsal bones. But in the fibular collateral ligament, the tarsal bones come first and then we talk about the fibula, like the talofibular ligament. It is talus and fibula. Calcaneofibular ligament between calcaneus and fibula. Let's look at the ligaments that hold the subtalar joints in place. On the medial side, we have this one in purple. This is between the talus and the calcaneus, and it's on the medial side. Therefore, it is the medial talocalcaneal ligament. Now, let's look at the lateral view. We have this ligament in light green between the talus and the calcaneus, visible on the lateral side. Therefore, it is the lateral talocalcaneal ligament. Next, we have this one in yellow, which is between these two bones. It is the interosseous meaning between two bones. So the interosseous talocalcaneal ligament. So these are the three ligaments that hold the subtalar joint in place. Talocalcaneal, talocalcaneal. So these are the ligaments of the ankle joint that hold it together and keep it intact. I hope this video was useful. That's all we have for today. Thank you.